Finding the x and y intercepts given the equation. These are all in standard form. So here's what I mean. Standard form has x and y in front of the parentheses and the constant at the end. So when you want to find the x and y intercepts, all you do is take this number and pop it up top of each one of these. Do not change the sign. Just leave it like it is. Now, because this one is stuck to x, this is the x-intercept. So negative 8 over 6 is the x-intercept. However, I am going to simplify it. So they're both even numbers, so I'm going to cut them in half. Half of negative 8 is negative 4, and half of 6 is 3. So negative 4/3 is the x-intercept, or if you want to write that as a point, that would be the x value of your point, and y would be 0. For the y-intercept, you take what's in front of y. So negative 8 over 3 does not simplify. Or if you want to write it as an ordered pair, you would have x as 0 and y as negative 8 over 3. Two different ways of writing the same answer. Okay, so again, what we did is we took the constant and popped it up top of each x and y value. We didn't change any signs. Now, in front of x is the x-intercept, 7 over 5. If I want to write that as a point, that means my x value would be 7 over 5, the y value would be 0. For the y-intercept, it's in front of y. So that's negative 7 over 2, or 0 with negative 7 over 2. Just depending on how they ask for the answer. Okay, so again, take the constant, pop it up top of each one. The x-intercept is stuck to x. So that's 8 over 7. Or if you're going to write it as a point, 8 over 7, 0. The y-intercept is stuck to y. And that's negative. And these are both even, so cut them in half. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 6 is 3. So negative 4/3, or y-intercept has x being 0 as a point. So 0, negative 4/3. Both are the same answer.